Guys, I've been procrastinating on this video, and you know what? I knew today when I got home I was automatically gonna have to make this video, because if I didn't make this video would never be made. So I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all can relate though. I mean, like, I know like if you play any type of sport, man, when you get home, like, you just want to knock out. Like that's how I am right now. Bro, they don't care. They honestly don't care. But y'all probably don't care, so forget it. Forget it then. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into this video. All right, this is my first Q&A video. Let me know, maybe now if this is something that y'all want to see more of, because I know that I'm not able to get to every question that you guys have in my DMs. It just becomes like too many DMs. Let me just do this, because like, I try to put together a lot of good questions. You guys had a lot of good questions, either wave related or not wave related. Most of them were wave related though. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this video. All right, so I'm gonna start with like the YouTube comments. Like I found like maybe 2 of them that I found were pretty good in the comment section recently, and then the rest are Instagram questions. But let's just get into it. So the first, I'm gonna just go ahead and get into the YouTube question. Orin Flicklin?
Bitch what? Bitch what?
Sorry if I messed up your name, but you said, how often do you shower brush? I shower brush like, I usually shower brush once a week, okay? And this is because I don't like to strip out all the oils and everything like that. It's just better for your hair. But if you honestly want to wash your hair, use co-wash. As I am co-wash, link will be down in the description below if you guys want to check that out. So you guys can wash your hair every day and it doesn't strip out all the nutrients. We got DJ Burning? Man, I suck at, I feel like substitute teacher in here.
Because it's pronounced Aaron?
Son of a... But you said, what do you ask for when you get your first cut, when you're trying to start your wave process? That's a good question. I get that question asked a lot. And usually I say, it depends what you want to go with, okay? Most people, like, they want to leave like a little bit of curl. If you do have curls, leave a little bit of length. But if you have really hair texture like mine, like slightly curly, so I still fall into the straight hair wave category, but I have slightly curly hair. I usually, my first cut, I got a 2 with the grain. It was like a 2.5. It might have been actually a 2.5 with the grain, tapered on the side, all that good stuff. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to go into the Instagram questions. It doesn't mean that I... again. 360 Fab Eye. Again, look guys, I suck at names, so if I mess up your name, okay. So you said, how long did it take you to see ripples? It took me like like not even playing. It took me like, I think it took me more of like a month and a half, to be honest, to finally see my ripples going. But I was putting in hand work, probably more work than all y'all putting out there right now. I ain't gonna lie. Snow in May. You said major do's and don'ts for straight hair waivers. Do brush a lot. I would say do shower brush. Do shower brush when you're beginning, so you're turning your waves. Turning your curls to lay down, turning your hair to curl down, even if it's short. A don't. I would recommend don't comb back. Comb your hair back and all that different stuff. All these things like elite waivers, like scramble washing and all that. Just shower brush first. Don't scramble wash, because then it's no point. Oh, it's a good question. Wavy Darvin. Sorry if I, you already know I butcher names. What inspired you to get waves? Man, this is a good question. Now, who inspired me to get waves is my cousin, okay? If you guys don't know, damn near everybody in my family got waves, man. Like, my dad got waves. My bigger cousin on my dad's side got waves. My little cousin. I'm still trying to set up that video that I want to do a haircut tutorial with him, by the way. But yeah, they all got waves, and a couple of the older, even they might be receding a little bit, but they still got waves. You know what I'm saying? So it was like everybody on my dad's side either had waves, losing their waves, or they still spinning. And I was like, man. One day I was like, I want to get waves. So they were like, man, your hair curly. I'm pretty sure you can get waves. So I started watching Poppy Blasted. That one video, it was like how to get waves with Caucasian hair. And then I started watching white boy waves, and then I started watching all these people, and yeah, and then I started seeing 360 Jeezy, Nick Wavy, and then that's how I kind of got introduced to the the wave game and what it's all about. Complex chick. How long do you typically wolf for? I at least try to wolf for at least 10 weeks. And it's because that's the length where I don't look crazy as hell. But anything after that, it's like I'm just, yeah. I usually try to just wolf for 10 weeks.
That question.
Why Jack one jump? Okay, I don't know how to say your name. It's gonna be right here somewhere. It's gonna appear and it's gonna disappear. So he says, what is the longest you have ever wolfed for? 20 weeks. I just did a cut. If you guys haven't seen it, it will be either here or somewhere. It will pop up, and then the link will also be down in the description below, where I cut my own hair. Wasn't planned, but I cut my own hair. 20 weeks wolfing. Yeah, that's the longest I ever wolfed. And then he said, shout me out. Well, just shouted you out. It was right here. I'll shout you out again right here. Boom. Look, there it is. Boom. It disappears. Okay. Now, next question. It says Sean MCC23. He said, how straight is your hair? Okay, so like on this little, if y'all like go on Google and y'all type in hair scale, I'm between like a 2B and a 2C when it comes to hair texture. Just so y'all know. Stone 280. I mess with you. How long did it take you to get your waves to elite level? Keep up the good work. Thanks, bro. Again, shout out to Stone 2Wavy. If you guys haven't seen him, go check out his channel, Stone 2Wavy. He's on YouTube, and it's Stone_2_Wavy on Instagram. Go check him out. How long did it take? It took me like a year to get my waves on elite level. If y'all didn't know, I'm going on 2 years, and it was like, I think I was going on. It's been a year since, like, damn. I didn't feel like my waves were on elite level. You guys might have thought my waves, but I didn't feel like they were on elite level. But right when I started my YouTube channel, was like I was transitioning into the elite level. 10K cruise. Are you cool in school?
What?
I don't know how to answer this question. It's because like in my school, like, I go to a Catholic school, okay? There's no cool kids. They're not like the popular kids over here, the nerds over there. It kind of is, but not really. Okay, now if y'all want to know if I got friends, and if y'all think I sit alone at a table all by myself in my own little world, no, I don't. I got friends. Okay, who don't got friends? But I mean, I play sports. I play football, basketball. I mean, y'all, if I'm cool or not, y'all could say if I'm cool or not. That stuff don't really matter to me. JS.XO_. Oh, I know who this is. How can I get waves like you? Girl, you got beautiful hair, and unless you're trying to cut that hair off, then no. Like, if you want to get waves like me, I know who you are. You're gonna have to cut all that beautiful hair off. Felix_Cascio. I don't know. He said, do you consider yourself a successful YouTuber? Would you make a vlog channel? I don't consider myself a successful YouTuber. I don't honestly consider myself a YouTuber at all. I kind of feel like more of a content creator. I don't consider myself probably a YouTuber until like maybe I hit 20K. If y'all want to give me that, make me, a YouTuber. But I don't see myself as a successful YouTuber. I see myself as a content creator. I like making content for you guys, paid or not, and yeah, so I like making content for you guys. When I make a vlog channel, if I do vlogs, it would probably be incorporated somewhere on this channel, unless y'all wanted me to, branch out and make a whole new channel with it. But yeah, I would do a vlog channel if when we get more subs and build this channel. Slick Steph, what are the best products for starters? Curly Hair Smoothie. I didn't use anything else. Oh, and spinning waves if you want to go on the other side of the non-natural side. That's a good product too. By the way, I also did a video on spinning waves, and I also did a video on Cantu versus curly hair smoothie. Again, I will probably put those up in either corner. You guys can click on that. Johnny XJW. Is it possible for straight hair waivers, like dead straight hair, to get 720 waves? Look, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Look, people have convinced me, okay? People have convinced me that dead straight hair can get waves, but like, yo, I mean, I have friends that have dead, like, straight, will never be curly, not wavy in a day in his life, no matter what length. And I feel like if I ever told them, yo, get waves, I would feel stupid. Like, I would feel bad for telling them to do that. So if you have, like, your hair is thin, dead, straight, hey, look, people in the comment sections have told me, look, you can get waves, but I feel bad telling people you can get waves. I feel like your hair got to be somewhat thick, wavy, curly, something like that to get waves. Okay, I just feel bad for telling you guys this. Yeah, go ahead and get waves. Y'all spending, you know, all this money on wave products and brushes and all that, and it don't work for you. All right, it don't. So people have said it's possible, but do it at your own risk, man. Do it at your own risk. Drippy Mar 617. He said, why do people cut their waves in the winter? Like, do you mean like scalping, or do you mean like just cutting their like hair? Maybe to go on another wolf session, cause you know it's wolfing season. I might go on another wolf session, but I'm not gonna go crazy and all. Maybe, I don't know. Should I go on another crazy wolf session in 20 weeks? But yeah, I don't know. I mean, everybody's scalping too. I don't know why people are scalping. Maybe it's because they're gonna grow it all back out because it's wolfing season. This is the best season to do it. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna go into the YouTube where I on my community tab I went ahead and I posted it. So we're gonna get into that. Hey, she took my money when I'm in need. Man, I'm a traveling. Man in need. Oh, she's a gold digger. Alright, 360 Louie. Again, another dude I mess with. What camera do you use best way to break forks? A Rebel T6i. Combing and wolfing, best way to break forks. AF Wavy said, what happened if your hair starts to fall off? What would you do? If my hair started to fall off, I'm getting either a hair unit. I don't care what y'all say. I'm getting a hair unit. I'm getting some plug-ins. I'm getting something. There's no way in hell I'm losing my hair. There's no way. There's no way. And as a waver, it's so hard to lose your hair because, like, when you're brushing, people say that helps, like, you going bald. No, it don't. No, it don't. Brushing helps with stimulating the blood flow to your scalp, which also helps with hair growth. Why do you think that they say when you get a baby a brush, right? When you have a newborn and you know maybe 5 months in or whatever, they say brush their hair. Get a baby brush their hair. Cause you're stimulating the scalp. You're giving blood flow to the head. You're giving blood flow to the scalp so the hair can grow. So why would brushing make you go bald? That makes no sense. That makes no sense whatsoever. So yeah, if I were ever go bald, man, we gonna have to find something else to make this channel about, because this channel just died. Wavy Baby said, what number did you use to cut your first wolf? I used a 4. Like my very first wolf, like right when I finished wolfing, like when I first started the wolfing, and then the wolfing process was, yeah, so 4.
Sit the fuck down.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Said, is it I don't know how to say that word, bro. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. But is it mandatory to get a silky do-rag? I mean, not mandatory. Whatever, it's gonna lay your hair down. Whether it's a mesh material, if it's a poly, it don't matter. Like, as long as it lay your hair down, it's gonna save the progress, bro. But whatever you put on your hair, that's the texture your hair will be. Alright, how old are you? Black Mamba.
Kobe Bryant.
Okay, Black Mamba said, how old are you? Have waves? I have waves and stick up. Tried the plastic bag method. It happens when I'm in the shower. Do you know how to fix that? I'm mixed, black, Puerto Rican. I don't know how to check. Okay, so if it happens when you shower brush, your hair still sticks up after you shower brush, that's fine. It's just, look, if it's like curls sticking up, grab a medium brush. If it's like, it's just like prickly hairs, bro, like, grab some pomade, grab some moisturizer, whatever, and go on a ham session. Look, I got prickly hair standing up. You guys can't see because it's like camera, but yeah. How old am I? I am 17 years old. I turned 17 years old on September 30th, just so y'all know. I want to do one more question. No, two more. I'll do two more. All right, last two questions. Are you from the East or West Coast? North, South, East, West. Like more middle west? I don't know. I live in Indiana, bruh. Question, by the way. Last question. Kibe, I don't want to sound offensive, bro, but I do not know how to say your name. But you should know what question you said. Which brush is your main brush? My main brush is a Torino curved medium. Okay, I love curve because it gets to all the surface area. You know, you gotta have boom. This is the end of this Q&A. If you guys like this Q&A, I mean, go ahead and drop a like. You know, go ahead and just hit that thumbs up button. Hit the thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, just let me know down in the comments. You know, shoot me, you know, because I like doing this because I'm able to just make a video and help y'all with questions so y'all don't keep asking the same questions. But, yeah, go ahead and just, let me know. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. Shoot a comment down below if y'all want more videos like this. But don't forget to go ahead, subscribe. Don't forget to, you know, hit that notification bell because you know we dropping straight fire videos. I'm dropping straight fire videos. Why wouldn't you want to hit the bell? Why wouldn't you want to hit the bell? I mean, I'm just dropping straight fire videos for y'all. I'm over here putting in work. You know, I'm putting in hard work. Alright? Why can't y'all just hit the bell for me? You know what I'm saying? But, alright, I made this video long enough, you know. But, hey, don't forget to stay wavy. But, you already know. It's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah! Don't mess with me. I just finished another freaking video.